Hobbies: reading, watching movies, listening to music, playing video games, traveling, cooking, photography, gardening, drawing, painting, playing sports, dancing, hiking, fishing, writing, car types, sedan, hatchback, coupe, SUV, pickup truck, van, minivan, convertible, limousine, sports car, race car, police car, taxi, off-road vehicle, station wagon,
special vehicles, ambulance, fire truck, police car, school bus, garbage truck, tow truck, cement mixer, dump truck, tanker truck, forklift, snow plow, bulldozer, excavator, crane truck, street sweeper,
steering wheel, tire, wheel, door, car window, headlight, taillight, side mirror, windshield, hood, trunk, seat, seat belt, dashboard, license plate, travel, passport, airport, airplane, boarding pass, suitcase, map, ticket, hotel, travel pillow, tourist, tour bus, currency, visa, backpack, camera, shapes, circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, star, heart, diamond, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, crescent, semicircle, cube, cylinder, at work, type, write, read, print, call, email, meet, discuss, present, plan, organize, schedule, sign, check, send.
Natural disasters: earthquake, volcano, tsunami, hurricane, tornado, flood, wildfire, landslide, avalanche, blizzard, drought, sandstorm, sinkhole, thunderstorm, heatwave,